Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix system restore disabled by your system administrator or is grayed out. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT, click and expand System Restore. Delete Disable Config and disable CR. Close and restart system. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand System, click and expand System Restore. Open Turn off System Restore, change not configured, click Apply, click OK, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.